The Naga People's Front (NPF) today decided not to pull out of the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur, ending the speculations that the Biren government was at stake. However, NPF said the party will wait till the announcement of Lok Sabha election results and that during this period, the Manipur government should meet its demands or a final decision will be taken by the party president that could lead to quitting the BJP alliance. The NPF Central Committee in its meeting held at Kohima this afternoon took the decision. NPF Working President Dr. Shurozeli Lizetsu chaired the meeting. The deliberation continued and finally decided that NPF will continue to go with the coalition government, and it ended the political discord. The Manipur unit of NPF President Awongbo Numai recently threatened that the party would quit the BJP alliance while expressing displeasure over alleged failure of the state government to fulfill its promises made to the party. The Nagaland-based NPF has 4 MLAs in Manipur Legislative Assembly and is part of the BJP-led coalition government.
That we are going to take decision today. So that matters very little for us. It is not his concern. It is our decision. So Biren here has got nothing to do. We are still there because of some unseen reasons, but we have already decided in principle.